In this video, I will show you how to turn on dictation on iPhone. Dictation may not be available in all languages or in all countries or regions, and features may vary. If you don't see dictation, then go back and go to mobile setting. Then scroll down and tap General. Then tap Keyboards. Then scroll down. Then turn on Enable Dictation. Tap Enable Dictation. Now you are turned on dictation on iPhone.
There is also a problem with this video. So ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications.